God gave us this life. Our parents brought us into this world and influenced our life. But our teachers have taught us the true aspects of life. Good morning, everyone, and wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. It is a well known fact that every year we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the former President of India and a great teacher and philosopher. Today it's Teachers' Day. It is a day to acknowledge, to pay tribute to teachers for their contribution through education in the growth and development of the nation. It's my pleasure today to talk about the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. A teaching profession is beyond name and fame. Today, when the world is in crisis, it is the teacher who has kept the doors of learning open. Our teachers are among those unsung heroes of COVID-19, continuing to contribute to nation building by staying connected with the students with the help of technology and helping the students to grow and attain knowledge during this lockdown. Today, the course of education has changed. Technology has opened the door of new learning, but it cannot take the place of a teacher because what the teacher can do, technology cannot. It is rightly said, God creates and the teacher recreates. Because a good teacher can make the students feel compassionate. She will make the students feel the concern for others. She will inspire hope in the students when they feel helpless. She ignites the minds of students for imagination. She encourages them to find solutions to their problems. She nurtures students' self-esteem and builds confidence. She helps them to understand and become good human beings. She teaches them to forgive and forget. A teacher can make children think from the brain and learn from the heart. She can make students calculate mathematics from head and read a poem from the heart. She will teach history to create a history. Every child is shaped with the mind of a teacher. An ordinary child can dream to do extraordinary things, since a good teacher will always encourage to overcome the drawbacks of the child. A teacher makes the parent feel proud of the child and look at the child with possibility. Teacher not only teaches the syllabus but also imparts strong morals and values in the students and make them able to face the real world. Teachers understand how each child is different and how different are their learning outcomes. And that is why it is often seen that students trust their teachers. They trust their views and believe in whatever the teachers say. In general, students usually consider their teachers to be experienced and knowledgeable. As APJ Abdul Kalam said, teachers should be the best minds in the country. Best minds not only means intelligence. It is when you develop and train a child in the art of living, in the art of learning, in the art of absorbing that knowledge, you are training a complete citizen. Hence, every teacher needs to update and develop her knowledge too. Make your profession a passion and grow higher. Adopt the newer and smarter methods to enlighten the bright young minds and build a better nation. It is said a school is a second home and a teacher is a second parent. After the parents, it is the teacher who shapes the career of the students, who later turn out to be professionals like doctors, lawyers, engineers, scientists, businessmen, politicians. A teacher itself is shaped by a teacher. My teachers, my school itself have taught me the values of discipline. And I'm thankful to my teachers too, who have taught me the true values of life. And to all the teachers, it's proud we are here today, and it's a privilege to handle this most responsible profession with love and dedication. So put our hands together for ourselves, for we are teachers. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.